Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we will discuss how to configure static IP on Ubuntu Linux. Let's go. Where now go to setting. Here click is setting, but now another where settings. Just click IPv4 or IPv6, but we are today see the IPv4/6 configured. Manually, just checking your IP. Our details here. Our IP is 270, but where configure is no. But not this way see, but where see this command node and then UI edit connection command respond automatically. Here is manually show. Just have a key press, you can move on. Now press our IP. One 92.1.24 gateway has 8.8.8. has 4 2.2.2. Now press tab button is OK. Now arrow key, press back right. System setup. Manager, terminal password, let's see our IP, but till now not since you are, but you can see here till now not since here. Need to reboot our system, then you can see this your IP is since now paying. Till now not found. Need to reboot our system. Reboot our system. Reboot is done. Now check our IP. Now change our IP. Ping now ping. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and keep my touch.